Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich here with your outlook for October 25th, 2017. For your Wednesday, we're expecting this cold front that was affecting the region yesterday, very powerful cold front that went through. Had a little bit of a lag yesterday, so we did have a nice afternoon, and temperatures were still in the lower to middle 70s, but now the cold air or cooler air will start filtering in behind it as this front continues to progress eastward. This is the expected point of where it will be on Wednesday morning. Still could be some early clouds Wednesday morning for our far eastern sections closest to the shore points, but other than that, we should become partly cloudy today. Not expecting any issues with precipitation. Going a bit further from this system will wrap up into New England. Is going to be sitting over New England, though, and in close proximity. So we are going to allow for a stray shower to rotate through here on Thursday, but I don't expect Thursday to be anything more than partly cloudy for most areas. Then we will have the core of the trough settling over the region behind this. So it'll be a cooler day, even more so than today on Thursday. And then once we get beyond this point, we start clearing out. We get to mostly sunny skies here on Friday. But you see this high pressure that's right here off the Carolina coastline. That's going to be in a position to get winds starting to come in from the southwest initially. And then as it continues further east, it'll come through from the south on Saturday. So Friday and Saturday are both mostly sunny days. But you can see going by Sunday, see it's over further east. So the winds are coming in from the south. Ahead of this next front that's going to come through on Sunday. So we're expecting temperatures to get up into probably about the mid-60s or thereabout on Friday, and then we're going to get up making a run in the upper 60s to near 70 on Saturday ahead of this frontal boundary. And then the frontal boundary will come through on Sunday. The question is what time on Sunday. We have here's a look at Sunday morning. Here's Sunday 2 p.m. starting to affect our western counties at this point. Maybe some initial showers further east ahead of it. So if you have any outdoor activities on Sunday afternoon, it's going to deteriorate through the afternoon from west to east in terms of where there's rain coming in. And then you could have some rain coming through that could be locally heavy again, kind of similar to what we just had with the previous cold front that just came through. A nice line of storms coming through, rain and thunderstorms, and you could have low pressures trying to form along this boundary as well. But right now it looks like it's going to move through pretty uniformly and not get hung up. So by the time we get to Monday morning, we are clearing out, and then we just have the cooler temperatures rushing in behind it. When we get into next week, especially Monday and beyond. Here's Monday. Once we get past Monday until about the middle of next week, we're going to have this another trough settling in that's going to keep us quite cool. This next trough coming in is going to be even cooler than the first shot, which will be, of course, be transient, just lasting today and tomorrow. Going a look at this is today and the anomalies above average. Anything that's in the oranges and reds are above average. The blues and the greens here are below average temperatures. And some of this is going to move eastward, so that by the time we get to Thursday, this is what we're looking at. We just have slightly below average temperatures across our region. The core of the trough is going to be off to our southwest, but it will still be influencing us for the most part here on Thursday. And then we get to Friday, we start to moderate a little bit, get back to near average. Saturday, we're back to above average temperatures again as we make that run towards 70 degrees again. But you can see what's waiting behind this. A lot of very chilly temperatures behind the next front that's going to come through on Sunday. We'll be in the rain Sunday, so we're not expecting to be below average yet on Sunday. But by the time we get to Monday, you have all of this that's ready to come in and replace that warmth that was in place here on the Friday, Saturday, and Sunday time frame. So this will all come in. This will be stronger than the first one. I do think we get a little bit further, a little more further below average than we were with this first shot, with this second one that's waiting the wings for early next week. I'm Eastern PA Weather Authority meteorologist Bobby Martich. That is your outlook for October 25th, 2017. Have a great Wednesday.